What is the perimeter of the red area? Label points B, O, C, D, E, and G. Join the centers of the circles. This implies that line OB equals the sum of 1 and the square root of 2 plus the sum of 1 and the square root of 2, which equals the sum of 2 and 2 times the square root of 2. Also, line BC equals line OC, which equals the sum of 2 and the square root of 2, as shown on the screen. BOC is an isosceles triangle, using cosine rule. The square of line OB equals the sum of the square of line BC and the square of line OC minus 2 times the product of line BC and line OC times cosine C. Substitute values and we have that the square of the sum of 2 and 2 times the square root of 2 equals 2 times the product the square of the sum of 2 and 2 times the square root of 2 and 1 minus cosine C. Make 1 minus cosine C the subject of the formula. We obtained an equation as shown on the screen. Combine like terms and we have that cosine C equals 1 minus 1, which equals to 0. Take the cosine inverse of the equation. Angle C equals cosine inverse of 0, which equals to 90 degrees. Hence, BOC is a 45 degrees right triangle, which is also an isosceles triangle. By using the formula for length of an arc of a sector, that is, 2 times the product of θ and pi times r, all divided by 360 degrees. We have that length of curve DG equals 1/4 the product of pi and the sum of 1 and the square root of 2, which equals to the length of curve EG. After simplification of substituted values. It is because circles with center B and O are congruent circles as seen in the figure shown on the screen. Length DE equals 90 degrees times the product of 2 and pi times 1. All divided by 360 degrees, which equals half of pi. The required perimeter of red area equals the sum of 2 times length DG and length DE, which equals 1/4 of the sum of 2 times 1 plus the square root of 2 and half of pi. The result is equals half the product of pi and the sum of 2 and the square root of 2 in units. After simplification of substituted values.